Okay, so I've made it to Chester train station. For those of you who are interested, I'm on 4 miles an hour, 2 bars, and I've done 23 miles. So I'm in Chester train station now. I'm going to make my way home. Go and feed me dog. You okay, my love? Do you want to get past? Get yourself one.
Very nice.
Called the Green Power.
Green Power.
Yeah. Right then, so I don't know how I'm going to do this here now. Right, so I'm just negotiating the barriers. Yeah, I'm just negotiating the barriers. So this is Chester Station. Cheers, my man. There's a ticket there.
Yeah, nice one.
Thank you.
Cheers, mate.
Where's the lifts, guys?
Just round to your right, underneath the bridge.
Thank you. So, here we are. I'm on my way home. There's the train tracks. Yippee! 85 miles to Holyhead and 179 miles to London. So, right, lift. This is an adventure, isn't it? This has got me out the house. You know what? I feel a lot better. It's cleared my mind of stuff. Should have reversed him really, shouldn't I? But, oh well. I think last time we were here, old smart arse Carlo reversed him. Right, so this is mad, this thingy, isn't it? There we go, we're in the left, we're going up. I don't know if I've got to get another lift. Yeah, I've got to get another lift, I think. Have I? Have I got the wrong? I'm not sure if I'm on the right platform, you know. I should have asked, shouldn't I? You should tell me. We come out that, we come off that way, but... Excuse me, mate. Just a quickie. I'm going to Birkenhead. I think I'm on the wrong thing, aren't I? I should be here, should I? Over that side. What platform, sorry? 7B. 7B. Thanks. Seven B's that way. Yeah, got to get a lift though, haven't I? So, right, yes, the journey's... Thanks. Thank you. The journey's nearly over then, guys. Sorry about the thingy there. I was a little bit confused at .com. Right, I'm just going to drive in the reverse out. Lift going down. And I will cease filming when we get to the platform. Doors closing. Oh, let's film. There's a lady with a Henry. Lady's got a Henry, look. Cleaning the platform with a Henry. Madness. Alright.
Doors opening.
Doors opening. Cheers, boss. 4B. I want 7B. 7B. There we go. 7B. There we go. And this is where we go home. This is how we get home. So there we go, guys. There's the fucking platform. There's the platform there. But no one tells me to stop filming, because you know what the answer will be, don't you? Don't pick on a man on a mobility scooter, because you might get a shock. Right, I'm going to stop filming. I'll film when I get home, show me jingle belly jumper, and then I'll throw it all into AI and see if it can clip all these together, and I'll post them. Thanks for viewing. I'm probably going to do my own little mad vlogs when we all go out as well, so I don't want to be a YouTuber, I don't want to be famous, but if it can help people on mobility scooters get out and get confidence to get out and whatnot, do you know what I mean, then it's all good, isn't it? Thanks for watching.